Hey guys, Dave here. How you doing? Today we're making the most incredible muffins I've ever tasted. Apple pie muffins with cinnamon crumbs. You're gonna love them, so let's get started. So the wet ingredients are a third cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and a third a cup of milk. And we're just gonna mix this up until it's well combined. Okay, now our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of flour, 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar. You can use brown sugar too if you like. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt just to bring out those flavors. And a mixing we will go until it's well combined. So what I have here are a couple of Gala apples, and they're fairly sweet, and that's the way I like them. So I'm going to peel them up. Cube them into small pieces, and you can use your favorite apples, but I like these. By the way, what do you get when you cross an apple with a Christmas tree? A pineapple. Alrighty, once we've done that, I'm going to transfer the apples into the flour mixture. Give this a mix up, and what this does is stop the apples from sinking into the bottom of the muffin. Now pour in our wet mixture. And we'll give this a mix. And if there are a few lumps in this, don't worry about it, it's perfectly fine. After that, we're going to line our muffin tray with some muffin cups. Scoop up the mixture and place them in the cups, and you want them about 3/4 full. In this recipe, you're going to have about, I'd say 9 to 10 muffins. To make our muffins super delicious, we're going to make the crumble. So we're going to start with 1/2 cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of chopped cold butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, and lastly, one of my favorite spices, a teaspoon of cinnamon. And apple pie wouldn't be apple pie without cinnamon. Now, using your fingertips, kind of crumble it together till it's, lack of a better word, crumbly. Now I'm going to pick up a handful and then just put it over each muffin. And there's no exact amount, just put it over each muffin. This smells incredible. Now we're going to slip these into a 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius for about 22 to 25 minutes, just so they're baked beautifully. After about 22 minutes, the house is just filled with aroma, so we're just going to set these aside and let them cool completely. After they cooled, let's take them out, and I know this is going to be incredibly delicious, just by the smell. And there you have it, our apple pie with cinnamon crumbs. OMG guys, these are so good. The apples are sweet and tender, the crumble adds some sweetness and crunchiness. They are so better than store-bought, you gotta try these. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com, all kinds of great dessert recipes over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.